A band sawmill log carriage is a mobile platform on tracks that securely holds a log and feeds it horizontally through a vertical band saw blade, automating the process of cutting logs into lumber for improved efficiency, precision, and safety in sawmills, with options ranging from manual to fully automated CNC systems. It features clamps to secure the logs, setworks for precise thickness adjustments, and is essential for primary breakdowns, offering high wood recovery and consistent cutting quality.